Welcome to my channel KGE. Today I'm gonna show you how to assemble this microwave kitchen cart. The part to install the wheels or leg, whatever you say. This is in the bottom. Just push it inside and there is a screw. That's the little tough. This part, this screw. So I'm gonna show you how to do this part. It's simple. You see there is a hole right here. Right here. It will go this one. This up to here. That's the part. This screw goes here and there. This one, it's gonna go right here. You see two holes. It's gonna go inside the holes, and the other side, you see this is this side. This gonna go this side here. Right here. Okay, let me do it. Bring and see. This side I can put one right here and another one it's gonna go this side. Leg or wheel, as I told you, just push it in and screw them. Okay, this is number 2. Same way, number 1, push it in and screw them. Okay, then now the wooden piece L and the screw right here. This is number 3. This is magnet is M, N, and this screw is N. It's gonna go to number 3. I am talking about this magnet. This is M, goes with screw N, and it is bottom of number 3. This is the one part of magnet, and other part magnet, don't worry about that. That will go after door. But now I am showing you. This is the magnet. This is number 3. It's right here, so it's going right here. So I put this screw a little bit. It goes right here. I put one screw here. Another side I put already one screw here. You know where this screw goes. And now here I'm going to put both sides to this one, number 3, right? But number 7, it's gonna go down here near the leg. You see one here, screw here, and that is here. It's both gonna go these two. So this is number 7. You see, 1, 2, 3 screw. And go other side. When you put that kind of screw, then other side you remember number 7. So that screw, it goes with this round thing. It is right. You'll feel it. It's gonna put number 7. Number 7 you can decorate like this. The black screw, wooden piece here. We're gonna assemble number 8. Okay, my friend, you can see there is a hole here, another one here, another one here, another one here. Just if you see this hole very carefully, you see there is a mark round. This doesn't have. So this is gonna go wooden piece, and this is here gonna go the screw, and here I already put those things right here. You can see this one is gap, I have to put it, and this one I did it. So anyway, we're gonna work. Number 8, this 3 screw, this kind of screw, and it goes right here. When you put those screw inside, the other part, this part has the round thing in this side. So this screw goes, this wooden pieces goes inside, and then you have to tighten this screw. That's all. Number 8 gonna be fixed. Number 8, you put this screw, and the other hole you just put. These are called L. These wooden pieces. It is in. This is. So now it's gonna go easily wherever it goes. This one says L. Okay. So this is number 9. Number 9 gonna go like this. With number 10, this is number 10. I put the wooden pieces here, but not here, because it should go screw. Wherever you will see this hole, you must know the screw will go there. Other tips, my friend, you can see very carefully, there is an arrow mark here. This is arrow. It's gonna go upper side, or you can screw and then will be like this. So I have to do this side too, attached with number 9, and then it's gonna go right here, this side. This is number 12, my friend. You see, one screw here, one screw there, and the other two, one is here, one is here, one is here. It's gonna wooden piece gonna go. So I already put the wooden pieces here. You can see these two. So let us do number 12 with these two. These are ready. Right here, 1 and 2. It's gonna go this hole and this hole. My friend, this 11. When you assemble number 11, there is a tricky part. This is the screw is different. It goes in both sides. You can see here. This is the screw. It goes this side and this side, both sides. So you have to put the round thing in both sides. This is called Q. This is Q and O. These are not same. This is a little different. I showed you the Q screw, and it goes this one. When you do this one, it's a big screw, so put your finger in the bottom right here, and then you do little bit tight here, and then go in the bottom. If you go screw, that's the screw. And I was talking about this screw. This is the Q, bigger one, both side. You can see both side. So this goes here. Q, this one. When you do upper part done, then put on this part attached with this part. So this is the Q, goes this side and this side, read both side, and put your finger in the bottom, push it up little bit. This is the tip, and then slip this side, this drawer inside. Now I am gonna put middle rack in this box. You see there are 3 holes here and 3 holes there. I'm gonna put these in each hole. You can put a lot of stuff in the middle. It is dividing the box into 2. Okay, now this is the middle part. It is right here. You can see those things. It is 4, one here, one other one.